The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach RV Motorhome redefines what luxury on the road truly means. This is not just a motorhome designed to take you from one destination to another, it's a rolling private jet, built for those who believe the journey should feel just as extraordinary as the destination itself. From the very first glance, it's clear that this RV exists in a league of its own. The exterior presence is pure Maybach elegance blended with commanding scale. The front fascia carries the iconic Mercedes-Maybach design language, with a refined grille, flawless chrome detailing, and signature lighting that glows with confidence rather than aggression. Every line feels intentional, smooth, and aerodynamic, giving this large motorhome a surprisingly graceful silhouette. Even at a standstill, it looks calm, powerful, and unmistakably elite. Step inside, and the transformation is immediate. The interior feels less like an RV and more like a high-end luxury suite. Soft leather surfaces, handcrafted trim, and premium finishes surround you from every angle. The color palette is soothing and sophisticated, while ambient lighting gently adjusts to create the perfect mood whether you're driving, relaxing, or sleeping. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light while maintaining complete privacy. The living area is designed for pure comfort and presence. Seating feels more like executive lounge chairs than typical RV sofas, offering exceptional support and relaxation during long journeys. When converted for rest, the sleeping area delivers hotel-level comfort with a perfectly balanced mattress, excellent insulation, and a quiet environment that allows for deep, uninterrupted sleep. Storage is seamlessly hidden within the design, keeping the space clean, open, and elegant at all times. The kitchen and dining setup reflect Maybach's philosophy of luxury without compromise. High-end appliances, sleek surfaces, and intelligent layout make meal preparation feel effortless. Whether it's a quick coffee in the morning or a full gourmet dinner on the road, everything feels refined and intuitive. The dining area is equally impressive, offering a comfortable and stylish place to enjoy meals, work, or simply admire the view outside. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach RV Motorhome delivers smooth, silent authority. Power is delivered effortlessly, with acceleration that feels calm and controlled rather than aggressive. The suspension system glides over imperfections in the road, isolating passengers from bumps and vibrations. Even at highway speeds, the cabin remains whisper quiet, reinforcing the sense of luxury and control that defines the Maybach name. One of the most remarkable aspects of this motorhome is how effortless it feels to live with on a daily basis. Everything from the seating position to the climate controls is designed to reduce fatigue and maximize comfort over long periods. Temperature remains perfectly balanced in all weather conditions, noise is kept to an absolute minimum, and the layout makes everyday tasks feel natural rather than cramped. Whether you're spending a single night or living on the road for weeks, the experience remains consistently calm and enjoyable. Safety and technology are seamlessly integrated throughout the vehicle. Advanced driver assistance systems work quietly in the background, offering support without distraction. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane support, surround view cameras, and intelligent braking systems provide confidence and ease, especially during long-distance travel or tight maneuvering. Everything feels precise, refined, and reassuring. When it comes to value, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach RV Motorhome is not about affordability, it's about exclusivity and experience. This is built for those who want absolute comfort, flawless design, and a sense of prestige wherever they travel. It's a motorhome for individuals who refuse to compromise, even when exploring the open road. In the end, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach RV Motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's a statement. It proves that luxury does not need to stay parked in a driveway or a five-star hotel. With this motorhome, elegance, comfort, and freedom move together, mile after mile, in complete harmony.